Hey,
Oh wow, hey, long time no see.
yeah, it's been forever.
How have you been?
I've been pretty good, just really busy.
Same here. Life's been crazy lately.
So what have you been up to these days?
Honestly, not much. Just working and going home.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
What about you?
Same routine, work, eat, sleep, repeat.
Hey, do you want to grab a coffee or something?
Yeah, that actually sounds great.
I know a nice place nearby.
Perfect. Let's go.
It's nice out today.
Yeah, finally. It was raining all week.
I know, right? I hate rainy days.
Same. It just makes me feel lazy. This is the place.
Oh wow, it looks really cozy.
What are you going to order?
I'm thinking of getting a cappuccino.
Nice. I'll probably get an iced latte. Hi, can I get an iced latte, please?
And a cappuccino, please.
Sure. What size?
Medium, please.
It's actually pretty busy today.
Yeah, this place is always packed.
Do you come here often?
Yeah, whenever I need to relax.
I like the vibe here. What do you usually do in your free time?
I usually watch movies or listen to music.
Same. I've been watching a lot of shows lately.
Any recommendations?
Yeah, I'll send you a few.
Work has been really stressful lately.
Yeah? What happened?
Too many deadlines and not enough time.
That sounds exhausting.
It really is.
You should take a day off.
Yeah, I probably should.
Don't work too hard.
I'll try.
Or just quit your job and relax forever.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah, in our dreams.
Exactly.
Here are your drinks.
Thank you.
Thanks.
This looks really good.
Yeah, it smells great too. So, do you have any plans this weekend?
Not yet. I might just stay home.
You should go out more.
Yeah, maybe I should.
Do you enjoy your job?
Honestly, not really.
Yeah, why not?
It's kind of boring, and the pay isn't great. I'm actually thinking about quitting.
Really? That's a big decision.
Yeah, but I want to try something new.
That makes sense. Or maybe you just need a vacation.
Honestly, that sounds even better.
Same here. Let's just quit and travel.
I wish. I really want to travel more.
Same here. Where do you want to go?
Maybe Japan or Europe.
That would be amazing.
This was really nice.
Yeah, we should hang out more often.
Definitely.
Alright, see you soon.
See you.